welcome back to my channel. So from exercise 11.3, this is the 10th question, and this question is one of the very important question, and this is frequently asked question. Okay, so the question is here like this: if cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to greater, then prove this condition. Okay, first as usual we'll write the given condition. Given is cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k. Okay, now taking the RHS side, that is k square minus 1 by k square plus 1 is equal to cos theta, or cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So just substituting these k values in these terms. Alright, so this one is cosecant theta plus cot theta whole square minus 1 divided by cosecant theta plus cot theta whole square plus 1. Okay, now this is in the form of a plus b whole square. Alright, a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Alright, so you can make it as cosecant square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 cosecant theta cot theta minus 1 divided by, again, cosecant square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 cosecant theta cot theta plus 1. Okay, here generally we make a mistake, like we can cancel this and this, but no, because here addition and subtraction is linked with this, right? So you cannot directly cancel this. So here one formula which we, basic rules of trigonometry we have, right? So that is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to is cosecant square theta. Okay, cosecant square cot square theta minus cosecant square theta is equal to 1. So from this arrived, and one more thing is cosecant square theta minus 1 is equal to, from this is cot square theta. Okay, so substituting these values over here. Okay, so here in terms of cosecant square theta it is, right? We'll just convert here once in the form of cot, here in cosecant form. Okay, so here cosecant square theta value is 1 plus cot square theta. Okay, I'm just substituting that here. It becomes 1 plus cot square theta plus this cot square theta. Okay, plus 2 cosecant, as it is I'm writing that one, theta cot theta minus 1. Okay, divided by this one. Here in terms of cosecant I'll take this. Okay, as it is this will be there, this I'm converting, that is cot square theta is cosecant square minus 1. Alright, cosecant square theta, this in terms of cot square, in terms of cosecant is cosecant square theta minus 1 plus 2 cosecant theta cot theta plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 is cancelled. So here the remaining is 2 cot square theta and 2 cosecant square theta. Writing this over here, 2 cot square theta plus 2 cosecant theta cot theta divided by, here cosecant square theta and cosecant square theta, this becomes 2 cosecant square theta plus 2 cosecant theta cot theta. Alright, after this here taking common 2 and cot here. No, the common is 2 and cot. Here the common is 2 and cosecant. So taking those common, 2 cot theta common, remaining is cot theta. Here the remaining is cosecant theta. Okay, divided by, here 2 cosecant theta, remaining is cosecant theta plus cot theta. Alright, 2 cancel. Now you can cancel this because it is in multiplication, right? So this one and this one, cot theta, cot, this one whole term is cancelled. So the remaining is cot theta by cosecant theta. So cot you can write it as cos theta by sin theta. Cosecant is nothing but 1 by sin theta. So converting this, cos theta by sin theta when this will come to the numerator, it will become sine theta divided by 1. Okay, so this is nothing but, I'll just again tell you, a by b divided by c by d means the value becomes a by b into this. When it goes here, it becomes d by c. Similarly, cos theta by sin theta is here. This will go towards the numerator. It will reciprocate sin theta by cos theta. So sin cancel. So the answer is cos theta. This is what he asked us to prove. No, cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So by substituting all those values over here, okay, we got the answer as cos theta. That is this cos theta. Okay, this is how you can solve this kind of problems. Okay, I think this is clear, and you have if any doubts also, you can write in the comment section. Okay, this is one of the, there is another method also. I'm not going to tell that, it is a little bit tricky, but follow this method only. This is easy, and you will get the accurate and correct answer without any confusion. I think this is clear. Thank you.